Yes, now let's shift our focus to other developments. Israel struck a hospital in northern Gaza, forcing the patients to evacuate as the attacks intensified across the strip. The pre-dawn strike hit Al-Ahli hospital in Gaza City. After Israel issued an evacuation warning, one patient died during the evacuation because medical staff were unable to provide the urgent care. Hours later, a separate strike on the car in the Deir al-Balah in central Gaza has killed at least 7 people. Israel has said that it struck a command and control center used by Hamas at the hospital to plan and execute attacks against Israeli civilians and soldiers. It has also said that prior to the strike, steps were taken to mitigate the harm, including issuing warnings and using precise munitions, while aerial surveillance as well were also looped in. The strikes came hours after Israel's defense minister said that military activity would rapidly expand across Gaza and that people would have to evacuate from fighting zones. Israel also announced the completion of the Morag corridor, cutting off the southern city of the Rafah from the rest of the Gaza, with the military saying it would soon expand vigorously in the most small part of the coastal territory. Aditya Vadhavan is joining me with details. Israel has struck a missile attack at the Gaza hospital, where the war between Israel and Gaza continues to expand further. It becomes concerning as to how the sufferers and the survivors are coping up at this point of time. What are you picking up with the IDF as now in Gaza there have been missiles attack in the recent?
Well, absolutely. I mean, so a lot of people have died in these Israeli in the Israeli airstrikes and the attacks carried out by the Israeli Defense Forces against the Hamas terrorist group. And it is nothing new that that has happened. That Hamas has already in the past has also Israeli Defense Forces have claimed that that the Hamas has been operating from civilian hospitals very covertly. Earlier, if you see, Hamas was operating from Kamal Abdel Hospital in Gaza, and now this Al-Fatah hospital has been claimed that as per the statement made by the Israeli Defense Forces, they say that it has been a command center, a major command center of Hamas, and that is why it has killed many of the and many, as per some reports, many Hamas militants have believed to be killed in this Israeli airstrike. So now these attacks will continue to happen because Israeli Defense Forces have made it very clear that they are not going to stop this war anytime soon, and until and unless Hamas returns all the Israeli hostages in a time-bound manner. Yes, Simran.
All right, Aditya. Thank you very much for sharing more details. Now, viewers, on that note, with more news and updates on the other side, stay tuned.